noticed we have a fig. So actually now within the last 2 days, I'm starting to see another bud there. So we're about to get some branching, but check this out. We have a fig. We have another fig. We have another fig. Y'all there. Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix. Today we're going to take a look at my indoor figs. I have moved them inside of a grow tent. I'm going to show you that. I'm also going to water them with the next round of Connoisseur. This is, I think we're on the grow round. We'll talk a little bit more about that, but y'all stay tuned. Quick look, indoor figs, some really exciting things happening with these fig trees. Okay, so wanted to first show y'all what I've got going on here. Y'all, I've gotten a Santa Claus, mother-in-law brought me a Mars Hydro grow tent. Y'all, I am loving this thing. In fact, I bought another one. But if y'all remember, I had my indoor figs over here. I had the grow lights that are inside there pointing out at my indoor figs. Now I have them in this Mars Hydro grow tent. Y'all, the fabric on this is fantastic. The zippers work fantastic. Probably gonna blind y'all for a second, but here we go. I'm gonna show y'all what I've got. So I've got a couple of grow lights. Of course, I've got my starts in here, my fig cuttings. This is my I-258 here. And we're gonna take a closer look. Back in the back corner is my Coldedon Blanc. And then, of course, this is the Angelito here. Y'all, I'm really liking the grow tent. I have a thermometer, a hygrometer in here that's going to keep track of the temperature and the humidity so I can really see what's happening. The grow lights are great. They have fans on them, but I'm going to get these out. I'm going to water them with the Connoisseur. We're on the grow part this week, so we'll get them out, take a closer look. Y'all, there's some really, really neat things I want to show y'all going on. Okay, y'all, again, I am using the Connoisseur line. This is the Grow and Bloom parts A and B. One thing I want to remind you of, when we mix parts A and B, we have learned that you cannot let them touch each other. Even clean your measuring device after you measure out the first. So this week we're on grow. So I measured out my 1.5 tablespoons to go in my 2 gallons of water of grow, part A, mixed it up really good, washed my measuring spoon, measured out my 1.5 teaspoons of part B, poured it in, mixed it up really good, and again, washed my spoons. That is all mixed in here. I've given this a first round shot of the fertilizer, and I'll let that soak in, and then I'll do it again until I start seeing good water come out the bottom. Now, one thing, when I started all this, I did grow parts A and B, and then 10 days later, I did bloom part A and B. It's been a little longer than 10 days this time. Christmas, birthdays, weddings, everything else, I think I'm probably around 3 weeks. And so I'm getting back on the grow. But I've also got these guys in that grow tent. And so I'm able to really concentrate the light. The inside of the grow tent is reflective, so I'm getting more efficiency out of my lights. Y'all, I'm starting to see big, big changes. So I'm gonna zoom in real quick. I wanna show y'all some things that I've just noticed in the last few days. Y'all, I am very excited to show you what all is going on with these indoor figs. All right, we'll start with the Angelito. Y'all, I've been thinking that this Angelito wasn't really doing much, and you know, technically, I guess it's not, but you can start to see now within the last few days, I'm getting some buds starting to open. I believe this is future branches, but do you notice that right there? That is a fig right next to that bud. And then over here, put my hand behind it, maybe that'll focus a little better. Do y'all see those figs? That's what, 1, 2 more figs, 3 more figs actually. That's on the Coldedon Blanc. So really, really excited to see that. That has just happened within the last couple of days. And then I'm gonna skip over the Angelito real quick. We're gonna go to the I-258. Y'all, we've known about this fig here. It's been here, you know, it started growing really, really quickly, but it's reached its size right now. It's not starting to swell at all yet, but it is looking good. And then I've got a new figlet here. Hopefully y'all can see that. We're starting to get a bud about to happen and open here. So we've got lots of new growth. I'm just now noticing another fig here. So this is the I-258, and we're really starting to see some changes now that I'm beginning to get some regulated temperature and better light concentration. Another fig there. So that's the I-258. Now, if you remember the Angelito, this is the one Figgy Ed said, top the Angelito, let's see what it'll do. Y'all, in the last few days, I noticed we have a fig. So actually now, within the last 2 days, I'm starting to see another bud there. So we're about to get some branching, but check this out. We have a fig. We have another fig. We have another fig. Y'all, there are 7 figs on the Angelito. I am so very excited about what I'm seeing. I'm hitting them up with this grow again, and then they're going to go back in the grow tent. We have some cold temperatures coming. Y'all, it's been 80, 75, 80 degrees most every day. We had a cold snap, and then it warmed right back up. It was 81 degrees today. It's December the 6th. I'm sorry, January the 6th. Y'all, it's 2026. Sorry. It is January the 6th, and it was 81 degrees today here in East Texas. But we have some cold temps coming. I do have a small heater that I can put inside of my grow tent now so that I can better regulate the temperature. I want to give these the prime conditions to ripen these figs. I am very, very excited about what's going on. Oh, Figgy Ed, here we go. Growing indoors, small scale. It can be done, y'all. I am very excited. Okay, y'all, what do you think? Am I doing good with these figs indoors? Do you think the grow tent, do you think the reflection on the grow tent walls is really aiding these fig trees? They've only been in there a week, a little more than a week, I guess 9 days. Y'all, I wasn't seeing these figs 3 or 4 days ago, so they are just now beginning to happen. So I do believe the concentration of the light, the better regulation of temperature, the better regulation of the humidity, I think that's what's causing all of this. Adding in the Connoisseur Grow and Bloom is only going to make things better. Y'all stick around. I'm going to keep giving you updates. Very excited about what I'm seeing. Y'all, fig addiction's a real thing. This growing indoors is really hitting home. Thanks for watching.